SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to update apps automatically on an iPhone 11. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've never updated your apps before, or if you've been doing it manually, then you might prefer to have your iPhone take care of that for you. Fortunately, you can enable automatic app updates on your iPhone by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the App Store option from this menu, and then you can scroll down to the Automatic Download section. Now you just need to find the App Updates option here, and then tap the button to the right of it to turn it on. Now, if you would prefer that your iPhone not install app updates when you're on cellular data, then you can scroll down to this cellular data section, and you can tap the button to the right of Automatic Downloads to turn it off. Now your iPhone is only going to install your app updates automatically when you're on Wi-Fi, as long as this button is turned off.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.